Hi, Kevin.
I want to.
We are at our neighbor's yard. He said we could metal detect it. So we've got this big green space and over around the house. And he's selling his house. Or it's going to be going up for sale. So better get her done before it sells. Right? You finding pennies?
Already.
Alright, we'll come back when we actually find good things. Oh yeah, look at this. This must be vintage 1924. Look at that lovely spoon, right, Barney? Is that a nice spoon, huh? Wow.
What time is it, Wanda? Do you know what time it is?
That's cool.
That is cool.
Is it like all there?
Looks like it. Well, no, maybe not.
It looks like silver on the back.
Yuck.
That's neat.
That is neat.
A pocket watch. We'll have to see if we can get it open.
Well, we'll clean it up.
It's definitely not all silver because it has rusty bits on it.
Yeah, I don't think it's... I think the watch face part is here. But anyway, we'll
That's neat.
see what we got.
We'll see what's in my hole over here. Probably nothing.
It's George V.
Wow. I just got a fish nickel. And look at Kevin tasting all that dirt. Isn't that tasty?
Oh, I love the taste of
that's
silver.
Awesome.
1919.
Nice. This bullet hasn't gone off yet. Huh. Neat. I'll give that one to Kevin to hang on to. Or I'll put it, I don't know, someplace safe. Crazy. Finding lots of lead bits, metal bits, brass, copper. There's a lot of bits of copper. So, I don't know if there was a shed here or something at one time, but neat. What did Kevin just find?
A quarter.
Found a quarter.
With a mountie on it.
Look at that. What year is that? 1973?
1973.
Yay! Horse quarters.
Yay.
Horse quarters are cool.
What do you got, Wanda?
I just got a gigantic button. I mean, look. Could work as an eye patch. Mayday! I think it's a button. It has like a little
Button-like thing.
button-like shank on the back, but it must be broken off.
Awful big, though.
It's huge.
I can't see that being a button. Who would wear that? That's a button.
I don't know.
That's crazy.
Me? I'll put that on my next coat. It'll be a button
Yeah,
right up
that'll
here.
Look great.
I'll pretend I'm a sergeant of
Sergeants don't wear big buttons.
metal detecting.
Oh, my teeth.
I'll be a metal detecting sergeant.
Yay, you.
Well, it's windy. I'm down here in Cape Breton. Just because I can. Kevin's at home, so that's kind of sad that he's not here with me. I came down here with my mom. My aunt sold her house. And so I'm just detecting the line. I just found a buckle. Just kind of looks like horse tack, maybe. It's an awful big buckle, so that's what I'm gonna guess it is. Got a 1976 penny. Well, it's a coin. It's the first one I found. So, I guess I'll have to take it. There's a lot of strawberries here. Sweet strawberries. The stupid flies are so bad out here. They're driving me crazy. What you got, Kevin?
Look what I got.
Kevin got a ring. Is that a ring? Yeah, it looks like a silver ring.
No, I don't even think it's silver.
Maybe just a junk ring?
Yeah, I think it's just a junk ring.
Sad. Still though, it's cool.
Get the gunk out of it. It's almost like it's a copper ring.
It's Bronze Age jewelry, Kevin. Ah, in the park.
Is this a Bronze Age park?
No.
Yeah, it's got that copper patina.
Junk. Yeah.
Oh well.
Cool.
It could have been great.
It's a bit bent.
It is. Fits on my pinky.